So we just made a cake and it came out of the oven.
This one got stuck in the pan, so I'm trying to carve it out with a knife.
Did we forget to spray?
Spray.
Okay. You gotta be careful, right? Very, very gentle. Did you wash your hands again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, Addison's frosting the cake.
Very pretty, Addison. Very good. Is that fun?
Yeah. We're making a unicorn cake.
A unicorn cake. Okay. Okay, there's the one that was removed. Cool. Now, right before our last video ended, you were showing me something on this box over here. What were you saying about the box?
I painted it.
Okay. And what did you paint it? Like, did you have a specific thing in mind?
My first one was the mountain, Mount Everest.
Mount Everest. Okay. Is that it with the trees?
Yeah. And the mountains.
Okay. All right.
And then I made a big road.
Okay.
And then I made
The beach. Oh yeah, like an umbrella. Oh, okay, yeah. I can definitely.
rainbow.
Oh, the Costa Rica flag. Cool. Okay. All right. That's cool. So, what else? Is this, is it? Oh, what did you do here? Were y'all doing something here?
Look, we drew our hands and we got to use nail polish to do it.
Oh, that's kind of cool. I've never seen that.
And look, we've been using this one. And this is the daddy cat. This is the mommy cat I made. This is the baby cat. This is Sammy Jr., the hamster.
Mm-hmm.
This is Lexi.
Very cool.
Dog.
Oh my goodness. Did you just lick that? Okay, and then we have pizza. It's being cooked. Something tells me that's mine. Mommy's. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What, buddy? What? El agua? 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 Agua, yeah, agua. It's so cute. Frosting the cake now. Okay. Agua for Colton. Agua for Colton. Let's see, Colton. Let's see. This looks like. Is this what you drink? Yeah? It's empty, bud. Let's see what he does. Oh! Oh yeah, let's fill that up. It's so cute. He makes a little cute thing. Sounds. We played in his room today, me and him. Let's see here. Here we go. Colton's getting agua. Here's his agua. Mission accomplished. Oh, it's dripping. I didn't close it all. Wow. Very good. Riley, I think you need a lot more icing than that. Don't scrub too hard on that because then it'll pull the... Nope, not at all. Nice and thick. You need more icing. Do we have any more icing? What's in the pony?
Oh, we have to do that as powder.
It's powder? Well, running short on icing. What's Lexi doing over there? Come here, Lexi. Come here. Hey, Lexi Lou. What's wrong? What's wrong? You tired? We already let you outside. You already went potty. All right, everybody say bye for now.